guys, here we can see a bad accident because there are too many tow trucks and cops and ambulance and everything, man. Poor people hope they are doing good, but you know, there are too many guys. That's no good. Oh, those are tow truck. Man, they're like a 10. You can see 10 tow truck drivers. There's one car accident. Oh, don't close the exit. Oh, this is the car. What? Oh man. Oh. Oh, I take the ground. You know, everybody's happy. That means nobody's hurt. But there's 1 Ford. There's one Camry, and 20 tow truck guys. Yeah, they have to be in the line. Man, that's too bad. That many tow trucks. Anyway, that's ridiculous, but that's how it works. Have a good day, guys, and drive safe.